So good evening my dear children. In our previous video we studied about some basic concepts about our earth. In the part of that basic concepts, so today we are going to learn some more about our earth. So my dear children, the total our earth surface is covered with oceans and continents. So my dear children, so before these oceans and continents, a small history behind those oceans and continents. So now we put some names to oceans, but before that only we find one ocean, that is known as only one water body. So its name is Panthalassa. The same thing. So before we going to learn about the continents, so these continents, before division of continents, only we find one landmass. So its name is Pangaea. Pangaea. So again further divided into two plates. So its name, first one is Angara. What? Angara. And second one is Gondwana. So now our India is in the part of Gondwana. So why it divides? Because of due to the internal force in the land. So that's the reason these are again divide and also collide each other. That's why now we find 7 continents. Okay, the story. This is the story behind of oceans and continents. Okay, so oceans. It is only one super ocean. Its name is Panthalassa. Okay, and next Pangaea, only one landmass. Again it divided into two land masses, Angara and Gondwana, because of due to the internal forces. And again this Angara and Gondwana further divided into now 7 continents. So according to the continental drift theory, so what is continental drift theory means? So these land masses are collide and moving constantly. So it is the main concept in continental drift theory. It was proposed by whom? It was proposed by Alfred Wegener. Alfred Wegener, his name. So according to his continental drift theory, now we find 7 continents. So my dear children, so everyone know about the shape of the earth. So do you know what is the shape of the earth? So earth's shape is like a spherical one, like egg. Egg is a perfect one of sphere. Okay, my dear children, this is the shape of the earth. So my dear children, again it divides because our convenience. So this line is known as 0 degrees line. It's known as equator. So in my further video I am going to explain about the longitudes and the latitudes. So on that video I will explain detailedly about this equator and some other lines on zones of the earth also. So here 0 degree is known as equator. So my dear children, so this is the north part and this is the south part, and this is the east part and this is the west part. So do you know how to find out directions? So here right side, because sun rises here, so sun rises from east side, sun sets where? In west direction. So upper part is known as north direction. Always the upper part is in north direction. So below south one. So this is the story. And next one, the one here, one big land mass. So first one and big one on one continent. Its name is Asia. So the second one is below this, we find here. So its name is Africa. This is the second largest. This is the first largest. Please, if comfortable to you, please note down this. First largest is Asia and second largest is Africa. And third one is here, the third one is, so third largest is North America. And fourth one is here. So this is South America. Okay, my dear children. Again, the adjacent to the Africa here on continent. So its name is Europe. And next one is here in the south. So here one continent. So very less density of population. So it is known as Antarctica. And here one small continent and also country also. So its name is Australia. Okay, my dear children. Here the first largest one is Asia. So even our country also the part of Asian continent. Our country is also part in Asian continent. So Asian continent is the largest one. And second one is Africa. Third one is North America. Fourth one is South America. Fifth one is Europe. Sixth one is Antarctica. Seventh one is Australia. Okay, doubt clear. And next one is here. First one is Pacific Ocean here. And second one, the place between North America to Africa, it's known as Atlantic. It is Atlantic Ocean. Pacific and Atlantic. And third one is below the India here. Below the India here, Indian Ocean. And above the Antarctica is Southern Ocean. And above the one very small ocean, its name is Arctic my dear children. So in next video we are going to discuss about some more basic concepts about the geography. Okay, bye.